It's important for pediatricians to understand preschool behavior. Not only do we get lots of questions about preschool behavior in our offices, but when kids come to see us in the clinic, we also want to best understand how to support them if they have one of those behaviors, or how to help them prevent having a behavior that's not going to be fun for anyone. Hi, I'm Kristin Sohl. I'm a pediatrician who specializes in development and behavior at the University of Missouri. I'm going to be talking about behavior management in preschoolers. We're going to be talking about strategies to support children with behavioral issues, whether that is autism, whether that is language delay, whether that's just being a toddler. One of the things parents find most surprising is that every one of us has some kind of behavior that others may not prefer. And yet we're often trying to communicate with our behaviors. So what I love to do with parents as well as pediatricians is help people to understand, what is communication in the form of behavior trying to tell us, right? So if someone is having a tantrum, what are they trying to tell us? Are they upset? Are they angry that they didn't get what they want? Are they trying to get attention? And one of the things that's very important for us to know as both pediatricians and parents is that we have a huge role to play in our reaction to that behavior. And so when we're trying to support a little person, a preschooler, if you will, through those behaviors, we have to have a lot of understanding of our own reaction to those behaviors. What are some strategies that we can use both for ourselves as adults, as well as for the kids that are in our lives, to help them be successful and be able to communicate in a healthy way? Some of the strategies that we use include things like visual supports, picture schedules, social stories, all kinds of different strategies that we can use in our offices and then also teach parents to use at home, so that a preschooler's behavior really just becomes that. Preschool behavior. No big deal. It's so important for us as adults to remember that behavior is communication. That goes for us as adults, as well as for our preschool children, as well as our preschool patients. And so when I'm thinking about behavior and strategies related to behavior, we have lots of strategies that we can apply to the child to help them with their behavior, but there are equal strategies that we as adults can apply to react to those behaviors, and to remember that behavior isn't positive or negative. Behavior is behavior, and behavior is a form of communication. And so that's an important thing for us to remember as the grown-up in the relationship, that we have just as much of a role to play in improving or supporting a young person's behavior as the child themselves.